Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2004 Toyota 4Runner. Vehicle came in, car is stuck in drive. I noticed the gear shift moves up and down freely and it won't shift into any gear. So that's an indication of your gear shift cable popped off your gear shift. So I'm going to be showing you how to replace the bushing that's in the gear shift cable. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Door panel remover, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 10mm socket, and a water pump plier. Okay, this is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a gear shift bushing that I got through the internet. So first we're going to remove this console to get access to the gear shift and the cable. Okay, so we're going to be removing this plastic piece. Just pull it up, disconnect your electrical wires, so removing this plastic piece, then removing this plastic piece, just lift it up. I'm going to be removing this console. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 bolts we got to remove. So there's 2 electrical wires I got to disconnect, one here and one there. Just push the tab in and pull it out. Okay. This plastic piece, we got to pop it out. Okay, same as the other side. Okay, lift the console up from the back and pull it out. Okay, so with the key on the on position, I'm going to step the brake to unlock the shifter. If you notice, it's moving really free and the cable is not even moving, it's not even connected. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to be removing this lock, pull it out. Pull this cable out. Now we're going to be putting the new bushing right into this cable. So this cable is going to be clipped on to the shifter this way. So I'm going to be installing the bushing from this way. If you notice, this bushing has some slots. The slot is going to go into the bushing, and it comes with this bushing installer. Put it on and just shove it in. So this grease came with the kit. Put some in the bushing. Put some on your gear shift. Now we're going to be clipping the gear shift cable onto the shifter. Putting this cable in the mount. Putting on the lock. Okay. Okay, now it feels good. Like how it's supposed to. Putting back the console. Okay, bolting up the console. Clipping these guys on. Connecting these electrical wires. Clipping this piece on. Clipping this piece on. Connecting my wires. Clipping this guy down. So turn your ignition on. Step your brake. Yeah, this guy feels good. And you're good to go. So that's how you replace a gear shift cable bushing. If you have any questions, comments below. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.